Yo, what's good? It's your boy Meetch back with another video. You feel me? And today we have November 24th is Monday, and we have the market gray opening again after a loss, crazy loss on Friday. So you already know what it is. Without nothing further ado, we're gonna get straight to it. You feel? It's 9:30 already. Also, we got it going in the Discord too. As y'all see, we got a Discord going too, but it's just me today. Um, but yeah, we off the rip. The markets is going crazy right now off the rip. We have a very strong break. You feel me? Well, okay, not break. My apologies. We have a strong opening market. You see how bullish that is. This is only in the 5 minute range, so we'll come to the hour. Such a hack and ask you real quick. Okay. Yeah. All right. Cool. 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 So we're gonna be at the 5 minute range, and we're gonna wait till 9:35 or 9:36. I'm gonna mark my 5 minute high and 5 minute low. We're gonna wait till 9:45 ish to allow the market to develop a trend, and then we're gonna see if we can catch a trade today. Whew. It is 9:35. I can see off the rip. It's a spike. But yeah. Um yeah, it's a 5 minute high, 5 minute low. We got what, a couple seconds left, so 56. It's not 36, so we're gonna switch to 1 minute. It's 9:30. We're gonna get the zone. 11 o'clock. What am I doing? This is the zone right here for the bottom, and then 9:35. It's right here. That's our limit right there. Boom. Right. Right on top of the line or whatever. So bang, that's our 9:30, our 9:30, and our 9:35 high and low. We're going to wait for either a nice break, retest, and going back up. It's the price range. I don't even know what the purpose of that's for. I'm not gonna even lie to you. But yes, as you can see, doing a little bit of that. So we will see. We got a break. We got a break. We got a break. For a fact. It's a pretty nice one. I'm not even gonna lie. It's a nice break. It took some time to develop. But yeah, we got it. With a song. We about to do. I feel like that was a retest right there. So you gonna see. You gonna see.
Order filled.
I'm willing to risk 5 for a band. A song. I definitely say, whoop, you got it right here. We had to hold it right here. That's a 1. Right, that should do our multiple for that. You feel me? That's a 127, son. It's not a 2R multiple. So if I enter right here. Right here. Sheesh. Damn, that cancels the order. We're not gonna do that no more. Oh, let's lock in. Let's lock in with me. Let's lock in with me. Come on. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. Let's not do that. I might get taken out this trade. I'm not even gonna lie to you. I might get taken out this trade. This is my zone, but I thought I could adjust this like that. It doesn't give me the freedom to like, you feel me? Like, you feel me, chat? I can't control it. I can't even do that.
Order filled.
But should I try again, chat? Should I try again, chat? This the one though, for a fact. This is the one, chat.
Order filled. Order filled.
All I needed. But you couldn't do that. But you couldn't do that. Ain't no point in the video at this point. We done lost the account, right? All right, chat. That's our two L's, and this. All right, chat. But yeah, that's the end of the video. If anything, I'll catch y'all later. This video will be uploaded. I don't know if I'm going to get another account. Honestly, I don't know. This shit just blows me, honestly. But that's that for today. Ain't nothing else to it. All right, y'all.